As a homeowner in Florence, you know that your windows play an important role in the overall aesthetic, security, and energy efficiency of your home. Whether you're facing cracked glass, drafts, or worn-out frames, deciding between window replacement and window repair can be a difficult decision. Each option comes with its own set of advantages, and the best choice for your home will depend on several factors, including cost, condition of your windows, and long-term goals. In this article, we'll break down the differences between window replacement and window repair and help you determine which option is the best choice for Florence homeowners. When to consider window repair. Window repair can be an excellent option if your windows are in fair condition but need a few minor fixes to restore their functionality. Here are some situations where window repair might be the best option. Minor glass damage. If your window has a small crack or chip in the glass but the frame is still intact, a repair may be sufficient. Repairing the glass is typically less expensive than a full window replacement and can quickly restore your window's functionality and appearance. In some cases, a glass-only replacement can be done without replacing the entire window frame, saving you both time and money. Broken seals. If you have double-pane windows with condensation trapped between the panes, the problem may be with the window seal. When a seal fails, moisture can enter the space between the panes, leading to foggy or cloudy windows. In many cases, a seal replacement can be performed without replacing the entire window. This is a cost-effective way to restore your window's energy efficiency and appearance. Drafty windows. If your windows are letting in air, you may just need to replace the weather stripping or caulking around the window frame. This is an affordable way to improve your home's insulation and prevent drafts. If the frame itself is in good condition and the glass is intact, repairing the seals and seals can be an effective and low-cost solution to stop drafts and improve your home's comfort. Budget-friendly option. If you're on a budget and your windows are generally in decent shape, window repairs can provide a more affordable solution. Repairing a window typically costs much less than replacing the entire unit, especially when only small fixes are needed. For homeowners who need a quick fix without breaking the bank, window repair offers a cost-effective solution. When to consider window replacement. While repairs can be a quick and affordable solution, there are certain circumstances where window replacement is the better choice. Here's when you should consider replacing your windows. Severe damage. If your windows have extensive damage such as cracked glass, rotting wood, warped frames, or broken hardware, replacement may be necessary. These types of issues can affect the window's integrity, functionality, and security, making repairs an unreliable or short-term solution. For example, if the window frame is rotting due to water damage, simply replacing the glass or sealing the frame won't fix the underlying issue. Replacing the entire window ensures that your home remains safe and secure while improving insulation and energy efficiency. Inefficient windows. If your windows are old and inefficient, repairing them may not provide long-term results. Single-pane windows or old double-pane windows without proper insulation can cause high energy bills due to poor temperature regulation. In Florence's climate, having windows that keep your home cool during hot summers and warm in cooler months is essential. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows with double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills will provide better insulation and reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems, leading to long-term savings on your utility bills. If your existing windows are not energy efficient, replacement is often the most effective way to ensure that your home is properly insulated. Improved curb appeal and home value. Older windows may not only be inefficient but can also negatively impact your home's curb appeal. Worn out or outdated windows can make your home look tired and uninviting. By replacing your windows with modern, stylish, and energy-efficient options, you can instantly enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and increase its value. Potential buyers often look for homes with modern upgrades, and new windows are a great way to make your property more attractive on the market. If you plan to sell your home in the near future, replacing old windows can boost its marketability and overall worth. Frequent repairs are becoming costly. If you find yourself repairing your windows frequently, whether it's replacing seals, fixing drafts, or dealing with broken hardware, it may be more cost-effective in the long run to replace the windows altogether. Constant repairs can add up over time, and replacing the windows with newer models can save you money on future repairs and improve the overall performance of your home. The benefits of professional installation. Whether you choose window replacement or window repair, it's crucial to have a professional handle the job. In Florence, where homes can vary from historic to modern, a professional installer can ensure that your windows are properly fitted, sealed, and insulated for maximum efficiency. A professional also ensures that the installation is done correctly, preventing any future issues with drafts, leaks, or poor functionality. If you decide to replace your windows, hiring a licensed and insured contractor will ensure that your new windows are installed to industry standards and will provide long-lasting performance. Conclusion: window replacement versus repair, which is right for you? In Florence, the decision between window replacement and window repair largely depends on the condition of your windows, your budget, and your long-term goals. If your windows are still in good condition but need minor fixes, repairing them may be a cost-effective solution. However, if your windows are inefficient, damaged, or outdated, replacing them with modern, energy-efficient options will improve your home's comfort, security, and overall value. Ultimately, whether you choose to repair or replace your windows, the key is to make an informed decision based on your specific needs. Either way, investing in high-quality windows and professional installation will ensure that your home remains safe, comfortable, and energy efficient for years to come.